using thermostat cable that's costlier and heavier than it needs to be? A hybrid design for thermostat cable offers a cost-effective alternative while still ensuring reliable thermostat performance for your customers. Let's take a look at the difference between traditional thermostat cable and a hybrid option. A typical thermostat system requires 5 or more conductors. Only one of these wires carries all of the current needed to power the thermostat and HVAC controls. The other conductors are used for relays that control specific system functions, including heating, cooling, and fan units. Each of these conductors carries much less current. Traditional thermostat cable takes a one-size-fits-all approach. It's designed with all conductors at the same size, 18 gauge, as dictated by the power conductor wire. In other words, the relay wires are all bigger than they need to be. That means more copper, adding to the cost and weight of your cable. Genesis hybrid thermostat cable, on the other hand, optimizes the conductor sizes to fit the specific needs of the system. One conductor is sized to meet the power requirements at 18 gauge. All of the rest are smaller 20 gauge conductors. Even at this smaller size, the voltage drop is minimal, maintaining the thermostat's precise performance and control of all components. Hybrid thermostat cable is engineered to work with legacy systems and modern HVAC equipment, including smart connected thermostats. It's also field tested to perform flawlessly on runs of up to 250 feet, well beyond the length of an average run. This optimized design requires less copper. That means it's lighter and easier to transport and more cost-effective. So you can improve profits without compromising performance and reliability. Genesis offers a variety of hybrid thermostat cables with different conductor counts. Cable is available in speed bag packaging to further streamline installations. The result is a hybrid solution that can help you satisfy more customers more cost-effectively. With Genesis cable, every job is a little easier. Offering a hassle-free experience, Genesis gets you in and out of jobs faster. You can count on it.